guys, this is Sam down here at Carns Powersports. Today I have a brand new Arctic Cat Prowler Pro Crew. This one is a limited edition model. It is in that nice orange color. It does come with a front steel cable winch, a color-coded front bumper. This is around an 812cc machine. What I do like about this machine, quietest machine on the market. Seats, you got that nice seats on there. You got your half doors. It is 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. You got a lot of leg room. So those taller guys, females that need that leg room, you've got it in this machine. What I like about the back 3 seats, because it is a 6-passenger, each of the passengers gets a cup holder, which is pretty neat of Arctic Cat to do that. Limited edition does come with a polycarbonate roof. You do have a bigger bed on this machine. It is dumpable, so it's nice to use around the house, and you got that color-coded back bumper. Amazing machine. You also have a rear receiver if you ever need to tow anything around the yard. This machine is made for work. Now, this machine is no speed demon, so you can't go no 60 miles an hour down the road. This thing is for work. So we do have this machine in stock. I believe this is the only one that I have right now. So come down to Carns Equipment, check it out, and take home this machine today.